What I love about the process now is with the intaker is I'm not wasting my time on clients who aren't.
It's not going anywhere, right?
He knows the right question. He's learning the right questions to ask him when to. I don't talk to a lot of people. I love it. For me, the intaker is
Changed everything.
I have a number I want to get to, so I think I'll get there this year.
Welcome to my legal academy, helping lawyers work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life.
Chris, do you have, you said you're a sole, do you have anybody that's helping you with intakes or filings or all, collecting docs and all that?
Yes, through the program, I got the courage to get VAs. I got them from Upwork. It's been about a month and a half. He's getting better and better and better. It's really great. I don't talk to, and I'm working through doing job forms, sending clients questions, and figuring out at what point do I speak to them. What I love about the process now is with the intaker is I'm not wasting my time on clients who aren't.
It's not going anywhere, right?
He knows the right question. He's learning the right questions to ask him when to. I don't talk to a lot of people. I love it.
Has it helped you increase revenue?
Yes.
Yay!
Because it cleared up my time. So once I cleared up my time, I can take more. A lot of them, I even have a job form question right now that goes to them, and if they answer wrong, a thing refers them out. The job form, we don't even talk to a lot of people because the job form handles it, and they get removed from my calendar pretty quickly.
Right. Does that happen on the intake or with your intaker?
It happens because I'm still building it. So what I learned from the program is I did the Google Sheets. So it goes to the Google Sheets, and then my intaker sends them the job form. And then he looks at the job form. And if they said other than what I do, he sends a referral out. And if it says they want bankruptcy, then he keeps them and he calls them. A client doesn't come to me until my intaker is signing them and taking a deposit. My intaker is, I have to get another one.
Yay! What are you using for advertising?
I have a LSA person I hired because of the program. And direct mail is always my favorite.
Okay, cool. Is the LSA working for you?
It is. This is my second month. I know I need to put more money in it, but just my direct mail, I really love my direct mail campaigns.
Hey, if you're doing good.
And then, of course, the reviews. They call because of the reviews.
Right. We get a lot of, that's what we get too.
And then I also have legal plans.
Okay.
That's like free advertising. So I remember when I was thinking about letting them go, but I'm like, why? It's free advertising. They're not paying as much, but
get a couple out of it. It's worth it then.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, the intake for me, the intaker is
changed everything.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're a lawyer and you're looking to work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life, right below this video, you'll find a link to book a call to speak to my team so we can tell you how we've been able to help over 500 law firm owners scale their law firm. Now back to the video.
So what do you want to see happen next?
Just work on my processes better. I'm getting better slowly, getting better, but I really want to take myself out of it to the point of, like Cynthia, I want to hire another attorney. So I have to figure out, I know my number is somewhat, but I also have to figure out what is it going to cost to hire another attorney.
Where's the brunt of your time being used?
I'm working more on the business now, so that's great.
Mm-hmm.
Really, all I do now is I do initial intake with the client after they're a client, and I review the paperwork, and I attend the 341s. I'm just Chapter 7 right now. It's just easy and just life. I need easy right now.
Mm-hmm.
So Chapter 7, and those are easy. And wage garnishments, those are very easy also.
Right. So what have you gotten out of the MLA classes and program?
Learning how to transfer stuff to other people. Before the program, I always thought about it, but I got the courage to actually let go.
That's awesome.
So that's my...
What's your next step?
Increase filings. I have a number I want to get to. So I think I'll get there this year.
Okay. So do you have do you know what your numbers are now?
I already filed enough. I filed, 2 more, and I filed the most I've ever filed in my years.
Wow.
So, yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I got the courage to actually trust Sam and the program.
Where are you at?
Central Florida.
Okay. Oh, you have a lot of bankruptcies. You have a lot of bankruptcies.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.